how to use Phantom Wallet to make money. So let's begin. First, open up your Phantom Wallet and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Now, there are two main ways to make money with Phantom Wallet. The first method is investing in Solana. Tap Buy and Purchase, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Using your credit or your debit card or your Google Pay or a bank transfer. If you already have Solana in Binance or any other crypto exchange, then you can tap on Receive to transfer it into Phantom Wallet. Once you have Solana, you can start earning by staking. You can just simply tap on staking option. You will have native stakes right here. You can go with start earning. Choose a validator and enter the amount that you want to stake. The app will show the estimated fee in any which determines your earnings over time. The second method involves trading meme coins. After acquiring Solana, research trending meme coins that have potential to increase in value. You can do this through YouTube, Google, or crypto funds. Once you find a promising coin, go to the Phantom Wallet section, select Solana, and swap it for the meme coin. Enter the amount of Solana you want to trade, review the transaction, and confirm if the coin's value rises. You can sell it for a profit, so that's basically how you can use Phantom Wallet to make money. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.